Well, it's day 2 on our house mess chronicles. I don't know what to call it. Our house is a mess. It's falling apart, I think. Yesterday, it's the coldest days that it has been in like weeks. Today and yesterday. And yesterday, our furnace decided that it was gonna not work right properly. So it wasn't working all day, and we finally got it fixed last night. And we woke up this morning without any hot water. What's going on? Now we're gonna go see. Matt is downstairs trying to figure it out. We got issues.
It's leaking fucking water.
Is it really? My gosh. Now our furnace isn't working.
No, it just kicked back on.
Oh.
I dried the water out.
We're having issues, guys. I will. This is crazy. Help us. Oops. Let's turn this off. It's off! Well, how come it's been working so far for a whole year?
I don't know exactly how. He must have had this sitting just perfectly. So that it...
The house probably moved a little bit.
Well, no, it's because...
Or the pipe, I meant. The house.
I hope the house hasn't moved.
Yeah, but it just turned off, though.
That was just blowing all the... That was the fan just running, blowing the... There was heat that had built up in there. When you turned it off, the fire was on.
Oh.
So when you turned it off, it had to still blow all that hot air out of there.
Oh. We got old girl breakfast. She's got jam toast. Oh my goodness. Quit shoving everything in your mouth like that. Strawberries with yogurt. And she apparently seems to be super hungry. My Lanta. Today's pretty much a chill day. It's 1 o'clock. Almost 1 o'clock. Hunter's eating food, and then she's about to go lay down for a nap. She usually goes to bed between 1 and 2 o'clock. She takes her nap. And then I am going to gather myself, collect my ducks. And I'm going to get in the shower, get cleaned up. And then I really want to deep clean this whole house. Like, I want to wash all the windows, wash all the walls that the kids always touch, like the hallway walls especially. And then there's some walls out in the dining room that I need to do. Do the bathrooms. I have already done the shower last week, so I'll probably not do it again because it's still pretty clean. But I'm going to deep clean the toilet, the sink in both bathrooms, and then do the floors in the whole house because I feel like it's very needed. Our house is a mess. So yeah, that's pretty much our day, and that will complete my day off. I don't like to do much on my day off. I like to relax and do basically nothing, but the house needs to be cleaned immediately. It needs a good deep cleaning. It's been a minute, so we're gonna gather ourselves, and in the next couple hours we'll be cleaning this house for sure. This is what our living room looks like. This is just from this morning, though. We kind of picked up last night. It did not look like all this last night. And then the dining room is pretty clean, but can you see all those marks on the window or on the wall? Dirty. We need to wash them. And then on the wall on the other side right here is just extremely dirty, too. That's where we put the trash, and then the hallway's right there. Yeah, we're clean. Also, pregnancy update. I am 18 weeks pregnant, almost halfway through. We're getting a little belly. I'll show you guys in just a minute when I stand up. I'll show you guys what my belly looks like. This last, 5 months? Am I 5 months pregnant already? It has gone by so fast. And I think it's mainly because we were not prepared and we just came in this with a complete surprise. So I think it's just been going by so much faster than like Hunter's. And plus we know what the gender is too. So I feel like that helps. Let's get to cleaning this mess right up. It is crazy. So, what's that? Not her. I'm gonna grab all the books again. Hunter, no. Well, that didn't last long. Now she has room to clean in there. I mean, play in there. You can play in your tent. And we have a clean living room. And she's got a nice clean little tent. Did you help clean the living room?
No.
Did you? Oh, are you gonna do it?
What is this?
Simon Says.